Management Holdings, the Borough Point Management Corporation, North Luzon Railways Corporation, the John Hay Management Corporation, Heritage Park Management Corporation, and Vice Chairman of the Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation. He also served as Chief Technical Advisor of UNDP World Bank Water and Sanitation Program and provided advisory services to water companies in governments of China and Mongolia. He served as DPWH as Project Director. Actually, he rose from the ranks. He crafted the MWSS Master Plan, which he's doing for NIA also. And yes, he is the president of the Padernal Construction Company, which he started in 1993. Please hear this. His firm is engaged in contracting and construction of socialized houses, townhouses, medium-rise condominiums and apartments, hotels, roads and bridges, domestic water supply facilities, flood control structures, land development, and property management. Take note, sa na-research ko, walang irrigation projects na ginawa ng kanyang firm. I have to give this information dahil alam ko marami na nagtatanong. Sabi nga ng iba, ay contractor din pala. But, tingnan nyo ang listahan ng mga ginawa niyang projects, wala niya sa man tungkol sa irrigation. This vast experiences gained during his stint with several agencies made him a very professional manager, and this he brought to NIA. He may not have exposure to irrigation and farmers, but his mindset, together with Secretary Kiko, on improving the lives of the farmers through increased yield and income, gave him a wider horizon on how irrigation project implementation as well as operation and maintenance of irrigation systems should be done and done best. This man is a civil engineer by profession, finished master's degree in business administration and a doctor of public administration. Given the credentials attached to this person, it can be said that he is very much capable of heading and leading a very complex agency as NIA. Mind you, he is 2 years older than me. Dual citizens na po kaming dalawa. A fellow Ilocano whose roots traces to the Singson Baluik and Bigang Ilocos Sur. My friends, sa dami ng sinabi ko, I hope kilala na natin ang taong ito and thus will come to terms with him. Again, yung mga tao lang na may kasalanan daw ang natatakot lumapit sa kanya. Friends, colleagues from NIA, I am very proud to introduce to you our keynote speaker, small but terrible, Engineer Florencio F. Padernal, your administrator, my administrator, our administrator.
Thank you, Pina. I want to assure you that my speech is shorter than the introduction. Thank you. Please sit. I requested Pina to show the outline of my speech. Yan lang. Tignan nyo. Ganyan kahaba, no? Pero kulang pa, yan. Gano'n, no? Ayun. Ayun. Kaya mo kaya ito ng 2 oras? Anyway, let me start para mas mabilis tayo. Pwede nang tanggalin yan, no? Okay. May I request our colleagues from Mindanao to please rise. Binabati ko po kayo lahat. Thank you. Sa Visayas. Bet ko, kunti kayo. Sa Luzon, huwag na lang. You know what? Kasi sa ating Pilipino, you have to mention the names of everybody. People from the head table, people from everybody, and so on. So, ladies and gentlemen, my colleagues in NIA, good morning.